Welcome to our deep dive into JavaScript's proxy object, a powerful feature introduced in ECMAScript 2015. Proxies allow developers to intercept and redefine fundamental operations on objects and functions. But why is this important? In today's ever-evolving tech landscape, the ability to dynamically control and adapt the behavior of objects can be a game changer. Whether you're looking to implement validation, security, or even enhance your APIs, proxies provide the flexibility and control needed. Throughout this video, we'll explore how proxies work, their applications, and even tackle some of the challenges they present. So, if you're ready to enhance your JavaScript skills and gain insights into one of the language's most advanced features, let's get started. At the heart of JavaScript's proxy object are two critical components, the target and the handler. Think of the target as the object or function you want to virtualize, while the handler is like a set of instructions that dictate what happens when you interact with the target. This is achieved through traps, methods that intercept operations such as property access, assignment, and even function invocation. For example, the get trap allows you to intercept property access, while the set trap lets you intercept assignments. Imagine if you could create a security guard for your objects, controlling who has access and what changes they can make. That's essentially what a proxy does. Key traps include get, set, has, apply, and construct. Each of these provides a hook into different object behaviors, offering a level of control that can be incredibly powerful in a variety of real-world applications. Let's take a practical look at how you can implement a proxy for dynamic object interception using a simple example. We'll create a basic web application that validates user data, ensuring that properties like age and email are correctly formatted. In our project setup, we have an HTML file to structure our page, a CSS file for styling, and a JavaScript file to bring it all together with our proxy logic. In our demonstration, we start by loading a web page where we've implemented a proxy for data validation. Initially, the page displays a user's name, age, and email. When you click the Validate Data button, the proxy intercepts the attempt to set the age property to a string, triggering a validation error. An alert is displayed, informing you that age must be a number. The page then reflects that the age property remains unchanged, demonstrating the proxy's ability to enforce rules and maintain data integrity. By leveraging proxies, you can add layers of validation and control over your data, ensuring robustness and reliability in your applications. To wrap up our deep dive into JavaScript proxies, we've seen how these powerful objects enable dynamic interception of operations on objects and functions. By understanding the crucial elements of proxies, the target, handler, and traps, you can unlock new possibilities for data validation, API enhancement, and security. While proxies offer tremendous flexibility, they also come with challenges such as complexity and potential performance overhead. As you continue to experiment and integrate proxies into your projects, consider both their advantages and limitations. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to explore more advanced JavaScript features. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us, and happy coding. Happy coding.